We're looking at the wheel of a 2001 Mercury Grand Marquis. Listen. Investigating as to where that noise has come from. I can hear it going down the road. One thing you want to do is check to see if the ball joints, well, wheel bearings, ball joints are bad. So I'm going to set you down here. There's no movement there, so suspension's good. Hopefully the wheel bearing is. We'll find out. Front brake pads are almost gone, so it's going to need front brakes. Definitely in the brakes. That's where the noise is, but you can see the pads are pretty worn on the front, and it's hard to see in the back. But hang on a second, get some light. Back with my light. Looking inside here to see exactly what we're looking at. Oh yeah, we're not metal on metal, we're getting there. It looks like this caliper is just brushing the rotor at the top. So when you feel it, there's no grooves in it yet, so we're not metal on metal. Just don't know. I think what I'm going to do is clean up the edge here a little bit and see if the rust is what's hitting it. So I'll get back to you guys. Right, I wanted to spare you the noise, but I grinded on the edges here a little bit with that, and it's not chirping as much. So I gotta believe that. And you can see, I mean, this car is just totally rusted out. It's old, 24 years old, guys. But ball joints and everything are good, so that'll eliminate the noise. But I do know that the brakes are almost down to, they're like about 10% left on them. So I would say before winter, the brakes need to be replaced, if not sooner. And that's it. Got rid of the chirping noise. Okay, the boring part. Let me tighten these lugs up. And let's see, get this. Oops. Okay, I still have to torque them, and that'll, you hear it squeal a little bit, but it would sound like a chain dragging before, and that's all the rust that was on that rotor and the caliper. All right, I have a torque wrench here, you'll see. Let's see, get you in there. So the problem is I gotta lift the wheel down a little bit so it's got something to grab. Okay, here we go. All right. And you'll probably hear it click when it clicks. There we go. 100 foot-pounds. And if the guys at Walmart don't do this when they replace your damn tires, don't go there anymore. Oops. They need to torque them. Anybody that puts tires on, they better torque these. Using that impact will over tighten them, and you can see I under tighten them. There we go. Yeah. Well, there's one I didn't get. Okay, let's start over again. There we go. And that's all there is to it. This is actually kind of metal hubcap that goes over these lugs, if you guys can believe that. So it's just a matter of getting it in place and it's on and you're done. That's it.
Larry's got a wrench, it's magic they say.